This is 3 News.
Today got a rare chance to put their questions to astronauts on the International Space Station. Using amateur radio, they asked them everything from how they breathe to what the Earth looks like from space and what they do with their rubbish. And it was a welcome distraction for one student who'd recently arrived from Christchurch. Emma Jolliffe reports.
Over.
20 lucky Victory Primary School students got to put their pre-prepared questions to 2 astronauts as part of a science program called Amateur Radio on the International Space Station.
Hi, my name's Ruby. How does it feel to look out the window and see our planet? Over.
If I look out at the horizon, I see the curve of the Earth and I realize I'm in space. It's beautiful and I do love to look at New Zealand. Over.
The children say they've been looking forward to it for a month.
How do you get oxygen to breathe? Over.
Well, we get it from either our visiting ships come up and bring extra oxygen. Also, if the space station gets very short, we can have machines that turn our water into oxygen because water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. Over.
The football field-sized space station has been continuously occupied by humans for over a decade. According to NASA, it travels at 27,000 kilometres per hour and orbits the Earth 16 times every 24 hours. That means it was only in range over Nelson for 10 minutes.
My name is Biakta. What do you do with the rubbish? Over.
So we actually put it into a supply ship that we've already gotten the supplies out of. We launch the supply ship off the space station and it burns up in the atmosphere. So we burn up our trash. It never gets to Earth. Over.
The astronauts told them they hope to get to Mars.
I doubt there's any life on Mars.
What stops the space station from flying off into space? Over.
Well, Zoe, it would take a lot of energy to fly off into space, and we're actually, when we're in orbit, believe it or not, we're constantly falling back towards the Earth.
Science teacher Sterling Cathman described the experience as awesome.
They were in awe. Oh my gosh. They were just the suspense was amazing. Everybody was just, when you hear that, this is NASA talking. So it was very exciting and something they could remember for the rest of their life. I know I will.
Extremely exciting.
And it brought a smile to the face of Denzel Williams-Brown, who enrolled at Victory School after leaving Christchurch to take a break from the earthquakes.
It was cool.
The students are the youngest in New Zealand to ever get involved with amateur radio on the space station. Emma Jolliffe, 3 News.